So Anthony and I are on the coast of Maine, and he insists on going down these treacherous rocks or wood. It looks like wood. I'm not really sure what this is. But he wants to touch the ocean. So he's going to touch the ocean. I just hope he doesn't die. I, of course, am not going with him because I am a gimp. Go over to your right! This is the coast. Pretty big. Anthony in view the whole time. That's as in focus as I can seem to get this. I think he's having a spiritual moment. Now that he's freezing cold, he's gonna run back. So waves don't get him first. I bet he's pretty excited.
I got really wet!
I saw! He said I got really wet. What?
I said inadvertently.
Inadvertently. He says he got really wet. I think he did it on purpose. The wild polar bear, the wild Kodiak bear, comes back from the ocean empty-handed. How was it?
Cold.
Wet?
Yeah.
Let's see the damage.
My feet are soaked.
Let's see the damage. So we got wet up to about here.
Yeah. Right as I stepped on that platform.
And it is really cold to the touch.
A huge wave came in right as I stepped on that last rock, and I had to take it.
Take it like a man.
You know, stuck my hand in it. It was cold.
Are you excited that you touched the Atlantic Ocean?
Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Well, you know, I'm a badass. We're out of breath. You know, not the best shape of my life, but feeling good. Feeling good. Yeah.
Rock and roll.
Hypothermia. Get out of the car. Take these pants off.